Are you ready to dive into the world of timeless automotive classics? Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or just love the beauty of vintage vehicles, you're in for a treat. Today, we're counting down the top 10 classic cars that have left a lasting mark on the world of motoring. From legendary muscle cars to sleek sports cars, these vehicles are more than just machines. They're icons of design, power, and history. Stick around to see which car takes the top spot and why these classics are still adored by collectors and fans worldwide. At number 10, we have the Ford Model T, also known as the car that put America on wheels. Produced from 1908 to 1927, this iconic vehicle revolutionized the automotive industry by making cars affordable for the average person. The Model T was not only a technological marvel of its time, but it also paved the way for mass automobile production. With over 15 million units sold, it quickly became one of the most influential cars in history. The simplicity of its design and its reliable performance made it an instant hit with everyday drivers. The Ford Model T's impact on the world of automobiles cannot be overstated, and it continues to be a beloved piece of automotive history. The Model T also introduced innovations such as interchangeable parts and the moving assembly line, which transformed manufacturing processes across industries. Its rugged design allowed it to navigate rough, unpaved roads, making it ideal for both urban and rural settings. Next up at number 9 is the Volkswagen Beetle, one of the best-selling cars of all time. First produced in 1938, the Beetle became an icon due to its unique design and ease of use. Its distinctive rounded shape and air-cooled engine made it a quirky yet functional choice for drivers worldwide. This small car has a massive following, thanks to its affordability and reliability. It's also seen as a symbol of counterculture, particularly in the 1960s and 70s. The Beetle's charm has stood the test of time, with enthusiasts restoring and driving these classics to this day. Few cars have such a devoted fan base, and its iconic status is undeniable. At number 8, we have the compact yet mighty Mini Cooper. Launched in 1959, the Mini quickly became a British motoring icon. Its revolutionary front-wheel drive design made it incredibly agile and easy to handle, especially on tight city streets. Despite its small size, the Mini Cooper packed a punch, and it even made a name for itself in rally racing. The car's charm lies in its combination of practical design and spirited performance, a mix that has helped it remain popular across generations. Whether you love it for its retro style or its fun driving dynamics, the Mini Cooper holds a special place in automotive history. In the number 7 spot, we have the Citroen DS, a car that was ahead of its time when it debuted in 1955. With its futuristic design and innovative features, the DS stood out among its peers. Its hydrope pneumatic suspension provided an incredibly smooth ride, making it one of the most comfortable cars of its era. The DS also boasted sleek, aerodynamic lines that still look modern today. Known for its engineering excellence and avant-garde aesthetics, the Citroen DS remains a symbol of French automotive innovation. Collectors and car lovers admire it for its elegance and groundbreaking technology. The Chevrolet Corvette, especially the models from the 1960s, takes the number 6 spot. Known as America's sports car, the Corvette is synonymous with power and style. Its sleek fiberglass body and powerful V8 engine made it a favorite among performance car enthusiasts. The Corvette wasn't just about speed. It also embodied the spirit of American automotive innovation. With its eye-catching design and thrilling performance, the Corvette became a symbol of freedom and excitement on the road. Today, it's a highly collectible classic, revered by car lovers for its blend of beauty and brawn. At number 5, we have the Porsche 911, a car that has become an icon of precision engineering and driving pleasure. Introduced in 1963, the 911 quickly gained a reputation for its exceptional handling and distinct rear-engine layout. Its timeless design has evolved over the years, but the classic lines of the early models remain some of the most desirable in the world. Whether it's tearing up the track or cruising down winding roads, the Porsche 911 delivers an unforgettable driving experience. Early models are especially sought after by collectors who prize them for their balance of performance and elegance. The Porsche 911's longevity and consistent innovation have cemented its place as one of the most enduring sports cars in automotive history. Its iconic round headlights, sleek body, and powerful engines make it a symbol of both luxury and performance, appealing to generations of car enthusiasts worldwide. Coming in at number 4 is the Aston Martin DB5, a car that became globally famous thanks to its starring role in the James Bond films. Produced in the early 1960s, the DB5 epitomizes British luxury and performance. With its refined styling, powerful 4.0-liter engine, and luxurious interior, the DB5 was the car of choice for those who wanted both speed and sophistication. Its association with the Bond franchise only added to its allure, making it one of the most recognizable and desirable cars in the world. The Aston Martin DB5 remains a symbol of elegance, class, and timeless style. Taking the number 3 spot is the Jaguar E-Type, often hailed as one of the most beautiful cars ever made. Launched in the 1960s, the E-Type boasted a sleek, aerodynamic design that stunned car enthusiasts and critics alike. Even Enzo Ferrari himself famously called it the most beautiful car ever made. But the E-Type wasn't just about looks. It also delivered impressive performance, with top speeds that made it one of the fastest production cars of its time. With its combination of speed, elegance, and relatively affordable price, the Jaguar E-Type remains a legend in the automotive world. At number 2, we have the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, a car that captured the hearts of drivers with its distinctive gull-wing doors and advanced engineering. Produced from 1952 to 1963, the 300 SL was a marvel of automotive innovation, featuring a fuel-injected engine and lightweight design. Its performance was exceptional, and it quickly became a favorite among racing enthusiasts and collectors alike. Today, the 300 SL is one of the most sought-after classic cars, with its combination of beauty, rarity, and engineering excellence making it a true masterpiece of the motoring world. And finally, at number 1, we have the legendary 1968 to 1970 Dodge Charger. This classic American muscle car is famous for its aggressive design and powerful V8 engine options. The Charger's muscular stance, combined with its roaring performance, made it a symbol of American automotive might. Its appearances in films and TV shows, especially in The Dukes of Hazzard, only enhanced its legendary status. Today, the 1968 to 1970 Dodge Charger is one of the most coveted muscle cars, admired for its bold looks and exhilarating driving experience. It truly represents the pinnacle of American muscle car design. And there you have it, the top 10 classic cars that have left their mark on automotive history. Each one of these vehicles represents a unique blend of design, performance, and cultural impact, making them true legends in their own right. Whether you're a fan of sleek sports cars or powerful muscle cars, there's something for everyone on this list. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more automotive content. Let us know in the comments which classic car is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.